Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you know your Apple ID and password because you'll need them to authorize changes. Once done, sign into Settings and tap your name. This opens Apple ID options. This is where verification numbers live. Make sure your new phone number is active and on the device or another reachable phone. Why? Apple sends a code. Keep Wi-Fi or cellular on and don't lock the device while you make the change, so messages arrive without delay. You now navigate to password and security under your Apple ID because that's where trusted numbers are managed. Tap Edit Trusted Phone Numbers, then add a trusted phone number. Enter the number and choose SMS or call. This determines how Apple sends the 6-digit code. When you receive the code, type it in immediately. This proves you control the number. Once verified, the new number is active, so you can safely remove the old number. Make sure to test a sign-in to confirm. To finish, sign out of a secondary Apple service or test Icloud sign-in to confirm the new trusted number works. This validates the whole change. If you don't get the SMS, request a voice call or use another trusted device for verification. Apple allows multiple options. If codes still fail, reboot your phone, confirm your carrier isn't blocking short codes, and make sure Do Not Disturb isn't hiding alerts. If problems persist, contact Apple support for a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.